Hi mayam, sigi video se aigi Instagram live dagi logthokpane.
Hi ma'am. Ngasigi video se yam tenba exfoliating toner gi matangda kitang haijage toner gi question se yam hange aigi I DM sida so adado on hajikan di toner se ai kashu seasonable oide aigi hana gi video da su aigi hana gi video da su yawa da season Tony Moligi green tea chok toner do. But right now, seasonable oil they had directly my tar matunda I use serum to season. But if toner seasonable oil tar the exfoliating toner oil the season hand the sigi minimalist ki PHA toner se season say a mild oil hide skin so that sensitive skin na so exfoliating toner seasoning acid yeah kind of seasoning because because mas hydrating so oil ka yam no so sensitive skin or dry skin na so dum chana ganin ng khale oily skin ay ngon di kitang nungai wale so ayuk to di season na din dang di tumdring ay do na season na say mas 349 rupees kila magi bottle say 150 ml niko do sise to mungay sinaba so if yam na anova acid ta sinaba horako targadi sise adum sinaba yayan kale so pretty good toner for a start hadi exfoliating toner oido. Toner is not necessity in skincare, but we love it. HD of sorry, I'm maybe, but yeah, I don't use toner. Not these days because I don't think it's like you said, it's not a necessity. But exfoliating toner I use AHA toner, which is a glycolic acid from Pixie. I use this. This is very nice. This is my third bottle, I think, and I use this I use this only 2 times in a week, Mondays and Saturdays. So this is very nice. I really like this one. But I'm not sure if this is going to be suitable for dry or sensitive skin. So then if you have dry or sensitive skin, you can go for something milder like a PHA, not an AHA. So it helps in clearing out the skin and gives you a glowing skin. I mean, it saved my skin. I used to have like pimples and some spots here. So this has actually helped my skin. So I really like this product. I'll give it 9.5 out of 10. Yeah, chemical exfoliation toner is the I mean that yeah, definitely. I feel they are more important than serums actually, because serums is like a fancy thing, but chemical exfoliation is needed because you don't want to scrub your skin. So yeah. Next I na sinabo products I'm just shooting for my video, sorry. But thank you for joining me. Next I na sinabo video Next I na sinabo toner say I recently started. So as far as I na sinabo this is very nice, but masakitang dry the oil because it has AHA and BHA, but sinabo di adum nungay. So right now I don't have much to say on this except magi review yam phazay, so I thought I should give it a try. So ani magti sinaro, so once this I will use twice a week, and next week I'll use this. So I'll see if I see any changes, because sige I skin da yam chane, and I know this works for my skin. So I'll see sige se chana da bro to sige full review amu maybe tha ama natraga ani lerga full review amu phazana pirake.